Ever feel lost in translation while surfing the web? Whether you're diving into a new language or just want to switch back to your native tongue, changing the language in Google Chrome is super simple. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Then click on the three-dot icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, look to the left side menu and click on Languages. Now in the Preferred Languages section, click the Add Language button. Then choose the languages you want to add and click the Add button. After adding the language, click the three-dot icon next to it and select Display Google Chrome in this language. Now simply click the Relaunch button and Chrome will reopen in the language you selected. So, that's how you change the language in Google Chrome. If this video was helpful, hit that like button. For more tech tips, subscribe to the channel because there's plenty more on the way. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.